Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the main synth part to Jump by Van Halen. So I'll teach you what you just heard in the preview, so let's dive in. Here is middle C as a reference point. On the screen the left hand will be blue and the right hand will be orange. So I'm going to teach both hands at the same time, with the left hand not really doing that much. So we're going to play at a very low C, and we only need all of the white keys. So you're going to hold the C down first. And the right hand, we're going to play these chords. So we have G major, which is G, B and D. And then we have C major second inversion, which is G, C and E. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So from the G, you're changing, keeping your thumb on the G and changing the B and D to C and E. And then we have F major, so root position, F, A, C. And you play that again. Back up to G major twice. So I'll just do what we've done so far. C, G major, C major, F major, F major, G, hold the G. Back to that C major again. The F again, F major again. And then we have F major again, but it's in a different inversion this time. So it's second inversion, C, F, A. Hold that. And then, this is where the left hand changes. We have C major over F. So F in the left hand, in the right hand, that's root position of C major. So that's C, E, G. And then we have G sus4. So the left hand, you're going to play a G. In the right hand, we're going to play C, D, and G. So G sus4 is these notes, and we're just playing it in a different inversion. Again, all the chords are listed on the top screen there. Let's go from the beginning. We'll go really slow.
Hi there, just quickly before we continue, let me know if you're enjoying this video and how you're getting on with learning this lesson so far in the comments section below. I love chatting to you all. Please give the like button a press. Make sure that you are subscribed so I can keep on making these free tutorials for you. Hit bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in learning how to read music, I have an entire book, and that is linked below where you can purchase that on Amazon, and I also teach this in a full video course as well, so that's linked down below for you as well. You can go and check out the free preview. So let's continue.
Press your low C first. G major, C major, F major, F major, G major hold, C major, F major, hold this F major, and then C over F, G sus4, and then to start all that again, we play the G, a quick G before we repeat the C. And then if you feel like you want to amp it up, we can play the left hand. Instead of just holding it down, we can play the 8th note. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 so those bits are still held down. I'll do it again. Repeat. that quicker. So from the beginning.
The end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.